It's raining today. I love rainy days. I'm ready. Let's go! Hello, friends. What a beautiful day for a walk. Look, I made a big splash. It really is a rainy adventure. He splashed us.
Look at all the water.
Look, everyone! Aren't the butterflies lovely? Nature is beautiful.
Look at the stream.
Little fish.
Can you see them?
Let's observe the fish. Be gentle. I found one. It's beautiful. Amazing! So pretty! He's talking to the fish! Look how happy he is!
Remember to handle the fish carefully and kindly.
Nature is wonderful. The rain feels nice. A rainbow! What a beautiful day!
Let's set them free.
Bye, little fish. Swim safely. See you again. Happy fish!
Let's set them free.
Wow! A rainbow!
Look at the butterflies!
Let's explore. So much fun!
Find nature's treasures.
We found them! Look at create. Catch the bubbles. Bubble time. Hello, ducks. Hello. Smile. So beautiful.
Thank you, everyone, for taking such good care of nature and being kind to the animals. Remember, nature is our friend. What was your favorite part, everyone?
The butterflies. The rainbow.
What a wonderful day!